Hi, today we're here with Greg Fall. We're going to go over a product review. Greg, what do you got there?
I got the Salomon Advanced Skin Lab Hydro 5.
What is that, Greg?
This is our one of Salomon's advanced hydration packs here from the trail running series. So,
what do you do with it?
This is absolutely for running, trail running. They use it a lot in Europe and a lot of the adventure races. So there's a lot of different attributes on this particular pack that I really like, and works for me here even in Southern California. So a few things that are different about this pack. You can see the way it fits. It's really snug. I've seen a lot of runners that are running in other packs where their bottles are bouncing out in front of them, and this thing is really sturdy. Everything stays nice and close and tight to you.
Can you turn
it just
around?
Fits really well. So you can see it sits high on the back here.
Now, do you have back pockets there too?
I do. I've got quite a few pockets that are actually pretty accessible. So I sometimes keep the phone tucked in there, or little snacks and goodies, and then I can reach around here to the back as well. This thing expands pretty substantially, so I can get any kind of gear in there that I need for any of the runs that I'm doing. I can stuff. And
then you also have
I've got these back here that I can reach into. And all of these you can see are accessible as I'm in my pack and as I'm running. So that's another really just great attribute. I got a couple of packs up here where I can stick gels or any other snacks that I've got. It's just a great spot. So this thing comes with a slightly different bottle than everybody's used to. It's called the Salomon Hydro Pack. It's a soft flask. So you know, as it's full, it sits like this, and then as we drink it down, it goes away to basically nothing. So it's easy to just keep tucked in here.
And that helps prevent it from bouncing around as much.
I think that's one of the big features for that. So
now, what you're foreseeing a possible disadvantage with that?
So yeah, I think one of the disadvantages with this in a race, anyways, is that this has a very narrow mouth. So it's going to take a little bit longer to fill than your typical handheld water bottle will. It's harder to get in some of the powders and whatnot as you're trying to fill this thing up. So.
And where did you get that?
This I got from REI.
And how much?
It's available online. I think the retail on it is 180, but I got it on sale for about 130 or so.
And how long have you been running with that for?
I got this in September, so I have been running with it for about 4 months now. I put a lot of miles in it. I wear it on any of my longer runs where I just really like having my water close to me instead of out in my hands. And it makes a big difference for me.
What's the longest run you've done with that?
I think I've done 32 miles in it. So I do a lot of 20-mile runs in it, and it's a really comfortable pack. It just sits really well. Whether it's filled up, I've taken it on snow runs where I'm shedding layers and throwing them back into the back of the pack, and it just handles the different weight distributions really well. So
now, how does it breathe?
Probably one of the other disadvantages with it is when it's hot out here. When I first got it in September, actually running in Southern California, it's still pretty warm, and so you can see it when it does sit tight to you like this, you get pretty hot on your back. So I've seen and read reviews from other guys where they'll actually turn this portion of the pack. It can take like a Camelback type bladder in it. And they'll turn that into an ice pack where they're running with it and still running in some of the hotter races where they've got ice in the back to help cool them down. So one of the things that I've thought about potentially doing with it when it does get hot. So.
All right, well, thank you very much, Greg.
Yeah, thanks a lot.